Well, it's finished and I like the looks. And I solved a small problem at the front. Well, it wasn't really a problem, but I noticed these wheels had too much camber and that looked horrible. So what I did was take the front suspension apart, put a washer between the upper arm and this part here, and put it back together again, and the stance is improved. Not sure if that affects the handling. I bet it won't be noticeable, but it just looks better. Yes, it does. So, what's my conclusion on this? First of all, it looks really good. It looks very good and it completes the Sand Scorcher. Just a couple of things that aren't so good. The belt is a bit short. You have to file out a hole where the shaft of the pulley wheel goes in, or you have to stretch the belt using heat. I did the last thing and it worked, but I won't recommend it to anyone. That's just a minor thing. The original exhaust doesn't fit. I highly doubt, but I could be wrong, that the exhaust that is available for this kit, I highly doubt it will fit, because there's just simply no room between the lower pulley wheel and the rear bumper. So I doubt it would fit, but I could be wrong. I haven't tried it. So the air filter, yeah, that's a bit of a mistake, but that's easily solved and hardly noticeable when you cut off a piece and painted it flat black. It's hardly noticeable, so yeah, okay. On a side note, I'd much rather seen a single carburetor here, because this car was, correct me if I'm wrong, modeled after a class 5 1600, and as far as I know, dual carburetors are not allowed. Would I recommend it? That's up to you. With all these small parts here, it is of course more fragile. When you get it dirty, it's going to take a lot more effort to clean. This one is not going to run through mud, or no, this one is going to be used as a just a scale model, and sometimes as an RC at meetings, or well, it won't run through mud or dirt or whatever. It's just too pretty. I have another one just for just for that. Okay, once again, it looks great. It is, however, not cheap. Do you want a scaler where you can see the engine and you can afford it? Then it's probably, I say, go for it. You can try and make the engine yourself. I did. I wasn't very successful. So that's it for this build, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. So thanks for watching, guys, and cheers!